Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're so happy to have you. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today you all, we're going to get right into this video. This is a short one for you today. And we are in one of our upstairs guest bedrooms. We are styling it for the summer. We are using brown tones, neutral and natural tones here in this space, and we are using like antique semi old type furniture. And yeah, I wanted to bring you guys along, so sit back and relax, grab your drink, grab your snack, and watch as I show you what I have created here. And let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, we have the art on the wall, and it is featuring, you know, brown tones, dark orange tones, like a nude, and some blacks and some cream colors in this painting. And if you've been following me for a while, then you have seen these paintings before in the home. So this is more or less like the sitting area in the room. We have a couch here, accompanied with some pillows. We're using some Lombard pillows, and we're just using some regular 18 by 18 pillows as well too. And we decided to throw a throw blanket in there to just bounce off of the bedding. Once you see the bedding, then it will make more sense to you. But this space right here is nice and cozy. And yeah, y'all, I'm keeping the camera down to the floor till I go to the next area. Now this area right here, this is a marble stand here. Y'all, I've had this for so many years, this marble stand. And y'all, the marble is extremely heavy. It is I guess granite marble. Is that such a thing? But anyway, it's some heavy granite. That's what we're going to call it, granite. And as you can see, it has that antique looking carving done in the stand as well too. And then we just housed a mirror right here. This is a frame that we've had for such a long time, and as you can see, it is distressed a little bit throughout the gold and the black in the mirror. So that is right there, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And then we do have just a single chair here in front of the mirror with the beautiful linen curtains, and we did put the rod close to the ceiling up there. And these curtains came from Amazon as well. And I love my curtains kissing the floor. Y'all hear me say that all the time. When I talk about curtains, I like them up high to the ceiling as far as they can go. And then I like for them to kiss the floor as well too. So I just love that look. So I just put that chair in front of it so it just wouldn't look so plain. So I think it looks good with the blankie there. So we're going to head on over to the bench at the foot of the bed. Just an area that you can utilize when you're putting on your shoes or whatever the case may be. And I just put a body pillow there, just so the bench wouldn't look plain. But it's a wooden bench, and then it has iron legs on it. It's pretty heavy. So now let's get into the beauty of this guest bedroom, y'all. Look at it, y'all. It is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, so we have used a black comforter here. You can see the square designs in it. It's beautiful. It comes from Amazon, and it's actually 120 by 120, and it is king size. It is an oversized king bedding, and the bed is a king size bed. As you can see, we are using Lombard pillows, the off-white, black, and browns. And then we are also using the leafy floral pillows with the browns and the neutrals and the blacks and the whites. Y'all see where I'm coming. Y'all see where I'm going, where I came from and where I'm going, y'all. Then we got the off-white pillows, excuse me. And then we have the black and white pillows as well too. So I think the pillows are absolutely gorgeous. They really bring out the black in the bedding. And yeah, it looks absolutely gorgeous laying on this wood bed. Y'all, look at the headboard. It has so many beautiful details in the headboard. And this is another piece that we have had for some time. Some pieces we put a lot of money into, and we're trying to keep it up and to keep them. So you can see that the posts at the end of each side of the bed, it has the marble at the end, and it's the same way on each end at the head. And just y'all, just look into the details. This bed is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And then we have some little small nightstands that have the that has the power outlet on tops where you can charge your phones. And so I just put a minimal decor here on the nightstands as well. So I think this room turned out absolutely beautiful. Our guests are going to be comfortable and they're going to love the space that they're in. They have plenty of seating. They have their mirror to check out what their face looks like. They have some additional lighting as well, and then they have the capability of charging all of their electronics right beside them. So you can see right there, the green light is on, says go, go, go. It's ready for you to put your piece in here to be charged. Now over here in this corner, I just have a piece of greenery. Y'all know I always say I have to have me some greenery in whatever space that I am decorating. I believe this came from Hobby Lobby, but I have had it for some time now. But this planter here has a black and white design, and I did get it from Hobby Lobby probably like a month and a half ago. They were having their planters 50% off, so I was able to get that. And then I just added the green moss in there just to complete that plant. So yes, you guys, this is one of our guest rooms upstairs, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you love the styling that I did, and please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us some comments down below. We also added a new ceiling fan here, and it is operated by the remote. It is remote control operated there. So yeah, you guys, this is it. This is one of the guest bedrooms upstairs. I just love these linen curtains. But also too, if you don't know, I do have an Amazon storefront. Feel free to go over there and check it out. The link is down in the description box, and you can see majority of the things that I have here as far as the curtains, the bedding, and the pillow covers. All that came from Amazon, and these nightstands came from Amazon as well too. But I do wish they were a little higher, so I might do a DIY to put some legs on the bottom of them just to raise them up a little bit. But again, thank you all so much for tuning in on today. I cannot do this without you all. I appreciate each and every one of you for the support that you are giving. You guys, we are headed to 6K. We are on the road to 6K. I can't do it without you guys. I appreciate where you guys have taken us thus far. And yeah, I love each and every one of you. Please, again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you feel the need or want to share it out, please do so. Leave us some comments below to let us know what you thought about the styling of this guest bedroom. And At Home with Lisa will definitely see you all in the next video. You all stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next video.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.